what? Now it might get warm, but it's not gonna hurt you. See how that's weird?
Oh, that's so good. There's a scratch right there.
That thing was pretty fast, huh? Is that cutting it too? Is it cutting it too?
But it doesn't touch your skin.
It's crazy. I don't have to touch it out, but it can cut your skin.
What?
He's all nervous still.
Hey, is it done?
Whatever, take it easy, calm down.
See his legs?
No, I'm just happy it's gonna be off. So is that how you take it off? With that little gadget?
With this little gadget, it does a lot of little things. You see it? It is called a spreader. It spreads the cast apart. Like that. 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 And all I do is come through.
Does it stink?
Okay,
See his face?
Till it didn't go all the way through right there. See the difference? How that feel? Weird? Strange?
It does feel a little warm.
Ta-da! That was the hard part.
I'm happy to see my skin again.
Yeah. Don't itch or don't scratch. I'm going to be sending you over to X-ray. Okay?
Let's see if it's healed.
And then take a picture and make and see how well it has healed. Because it's always been healing.
Color. It'll just be a couple minutes.
See, that's it. This
What
is what
is
happens to
that?
skin, dead skin. When you and I do not take a bath, that's what you look like. That's why Mom says get in the bath and you be running, ducking, and dodging. When you don't, this is what happens, and that's what you smell like.
Is your arm stiff?
Oh, did you want to keep it or throw it away?
I want to keep it.
Okay.
Is there a way we could take that white stuff out?
Yep. It's called, watch this.
Can you move it? No, the other one.